Question 13, it says, how many degrees is each interior angle of a regular octagon? So you have a regular octagon, we're not going to draw the whole thing, but basically you have this, and it wants to know the interior angle right here. Now there's two ways to do it. We could say, hey, what do all angles inside an octagon add up to? And then divide by 8. So let's try method 1. We'll try this first method here. We could simply say, hey, we use n minus 2 times 180 degrees to tell us what all the angles inside that octagon add up to. Well, 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 times 180 is 1,080. 1,080. Now, so that's what that angle plus that one plus that one plus that one plus all 8 of them add up to. Now, since it's a regular octagon, you know all 8 of them are the same. All 8 of them add up to 1,080. So if I want to know what each individual one is, I could just simply then divide by 8. Couldn't I? Yes. And if we do 1,080 and divide it by 8, we'll end up getting 130, it's 135 for an octagon. 135 degrees. That is one method to do it. That would tell us the interior angle is 135 degrees. The other method that I usually do is this. I say, hey, that's all great, but all I ever worry about is this exterior angle right here, the guy outside. Because I know the interior plus the exterior has to add up to 180. So here's what I do. I always find the outside, because the outside is so easy to find. The formula is 360 degrees divided by the number of sides. Well, in this case, it's 8. That gives me 45 degrees. I know that outside angle right there is 45. If the outside angle is 45, since they're a linear pair, I know the interior angle has to be 135. This method is faster to me. It's always 360 divided by how many sides. It tells me the outside angle, the exterior angle, boom, subtract from 180 and I'll have my answer. Either way, you should be able to understand either way. And if I ask you to do it one way, you should be able to do it that one way. But let's make sure that we know how to do it both ways and have a thorough understanding of both ways.